Let's get it straight, girl, you don't need a nigga for nothing. Looking better every day, you got that Benjamin Button.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a hair unboxing video. I ordered some hair off AliExpress. Y'all know I love me some AliExpress. I ordered some hair from this company named Tinashe. I researched this company before I ordered the hair, and it has good reviews on it. So yeah, I received the hair today. I ordered the hair on the 31st of August, and today is September 4th, so it took about 4 days to get here. It came through FedEx. I paid about, matter of fact, let me just go to my little app. Like, I'm obsessed with AliExpress. I have the AliExpress app. So I'm going to tell you guys how much this hair costs. 1 second. So I have the Tinashe hair Brazilian loose deep wave bundles with closure, HD transparent lace closure. I have 18-inch closure, 20, 22, and 24 inches bundles. I paid $125.33. I decided to order this hair because, like I said, it had a lot of reviews, a lot of good reviews on it. And I wanted something other than straight hair. This hair is not from AliExpress. This hair is actually from a company named Alive Hair Collection. This is some bomb ass hair. So if you guys have not went and checked out that website, then you should. So I'm just going to show you guys the hair. It came in a FedEx package. I've already opened it, but it comes in a green bag like this. It's okay, not that impressive, but I guess maybe they was low on the bag shipment. I'm not really sure. But inside is the hair. I'm gonna just pull it out for you guys because I wanted to get some loose wave hair because I am going to the beach next week, and I'm kind of over like straight hair because to me straight hair is only to be worn straight, because when I curl this hair it takes a lot more maintenance to keep it curled. Like, I have to curl it every other day. I have to flexi rod or something in between. So this is just my straight wig. So I wanted to get something with some type of wave to it. So yeah, so these are the bundles. Like I said, I have 20, 22, and 24. I want to show you guys the longest length first, which is the 24-inch hair. And it just comes like this. Let me take it out the net. So it just looks like that. This is the texture of the hair, which is a loose deep wave. I wanted to get the deep wave, but I'm not really a fan. I'm not gonna say I'm not a fan of curly hair, but I haven't never worn curly hair, so I'm just trying to take baby steps to curly hair. I have had loose deep wave hair before, and I absolutely love it. Maybe one day I can try deep wave hair, but this is loose deep wave hair. So it just looks like this right here. The ends are okay. They're not as thick as I would like them to be. So basically around here it just says 100% virgin hair, 100% virgin human hair, unprocessed natural hair. That's just what it says here on the thing that's around it. And this is the 24-inch. I am making a wig with this. I did get a closure. So this right here is the 22-inch. And I will put some information in the bottom bar, so make sure you guys check out that about this hair. This is the 22-inch. Just looks like that. It comes in like a brown color, like a number 2. It's not really brown, but I've decided that I'm not going to dye this hair. I'm just going to keep it at this natural color. I'm not going to dye it or anything. But this is what the waves look like, and this is really pretty for like the beach. Like I said, I ordered this hair because I'm over straight hair, and I did dye this hair though. That's why it's so like black looking. I did dye this hair, But I'm kind of over the straight hair look. I want something with a little bit more wave that I won't have to do anything to it, because I have worn this type of hair before and I just really kept it braided when I wasn't doing anything to it. I just kept it braided like at night, and I made sure I sprayed it with conditioner and water. But this is what the 22-inch looks like, and that's the ends. That's the hair. This is the 20-inch I'm about to show you guys. And y'all, I'm super duper sleepy. I just went out to eat with my friend, and I have like the itis. Is that what they call it? The itis? The itis? And I gotta get my baby in about another hour, so I'm just gonna kind of relax before I go get her. But I wanted to go ahead and do this video for you guys. And this net is getting stuck out underneath my nails. This is the 20-inch, and that is the wave pattern. Like that. It's really pretty. It's really soft. Smells like hair. Doesn't smell like corn chips. It's gonna be really pretty. Yeah, already baby, on the beach, baby. So these are all the bundles. This is what they look like. Real pretty. And then we have our 18-inch closure. This is a 4x4 closure middle parts, loose deep 18-inch. I don't think I'm gonna bleach the knots. I don't know yet. I'm probably not. Because this actually is supposed to be a transparent lace closure. So it is a, ooh. So this is the closure, and it's the middle part, because you guys know I'm obsessed with middle parts. I wear nothing but middle parts. Even though I can wear side parts, just move my wig. I don't really like side parts like that. But this is what the closure looks like. That is the pattern in the closure. This is the parting middle part. This is what the closure looks like. It looks like it needs to be bleached, but I'm not sure if I want to bleach the knots or not. I probably won't. As you can see, they kind of pluck the edges of the closure. This is the Tinashe hair. So I'm going to put all of the information about this hair in the bottom bar. So far, I'm liking the hair. I'm going to do a video on the last hair that I reviewed. Well, the hair before last, the Allure hair. I'm going to do a review on that soon, just in case you guys are wondering what happened with that hair. I will have a video coming up very soon about that hair. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. I am going to be coming back with a review. So I'll just come back and show you guys what the hair looks like once I'm done with the wig. And yeah, this is going to be my beach hair, because I am going to the beach next weekend, I think. Don't worry, I will be vlogging, so make sure you subscribe so you can come along with me and my family. But this is the Tinashe hair. It's really soft, really pretty. I didn't really want to run my fingers through it, but it's really soft. My fingers are going through the hair. It's so pretty. I am so excited to try this hair. Like I said, I will have everything that all the information about this hair in the bottom bar. So yeah, please check the bottom bar out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.